Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video different handcrafts ideas I will share with you. So friends, let's start today videos. Friends, bottle crafts ideas. Turn ordinary bottle into extraordinary art. Add something, a few pressed flowers, and watch your old bottle turn into rustic nature-inspired decor. Paint bottle magic. Give your bottle a second life with a splash of paint, flower pattern, more shades, or nettles, golden. Each bottles become a little masterpiece. Fairy lights bottle. Bring the stars into your room. Add fairy lights to glass bottle and creative dreamy nighttime decor that glow softly in the dark. Flower arrangement bottles. Friends, how needle fancy walls. Paint your bottle, add fresh or dry flowers, and turn them into a centerpiece that steal the spotlights. Warp and rustic style. A little of some lace, maybe a wooden charm, and sturdily your bottle is a piece of farmhouse decor, perfect for wearing in cozy corners. Functional bottle crafts make them useful. Soft dispense. Oil bottles. Spice jar. Stylish and sensible. Your bottle can now live wall new life. Glitter and gleam. Go gleam with the glitter bottles. Perfect for parties, event, or just adding a little spark to your shelf. Friends, so Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel.